Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your environment matches the requirements. This prevents wasted time. Once your Swift and Xcode versions match, install the K-Swift package with Swift PM and run Swift package resolve so dependencies download. After that, initialize a new executable project with Swift package in it type executable, then cd into the new directory and open the package. Swift. Make sure to add the K-Swift dependency exactly as specified, because package names and versions must match to compile cleanly. You now integrate K-Swift into your codebase by editing package. Swift to add the dependency and expose required targets. Once added, import the core modules at the top of your main source files. For UI work, import K-Swift UI. Then implement the core initializer, configure logging level, thread pool size, and cache limits so performance matches expected loads. As you write initialization code, validate each option with quick prints or assertions. This helps catch misconfigurations before you build the full feature set. You finish by building and testing. Run Swift build and Swift test, then correct any errors or failing tests immediately so behavior is predictable. Once green, tune performance settings like cache size and disable verbose logging and release builds. Deploy or run locally and monitor logs, memory use, and latency to confirm the integration. If you see crashes or silent failures, first reproduce with debug logging enabled. Then isolate the failing module and revert recent config changes. This targeted rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.